The Sigmadaf filter station is a compact, ready-to-operate membrane filtration solution engineered for wastewater treatment plant expansions and upgrades, providing membrane filtration capacities of up to 2,000 cubic meters per day per station. Designed to enhance existing treatment processes and increase overall plant capacity, this plug-and-play system integrates seamlessly into your facility with minimal site work. It delivers high-efficiency solid-liquid separation, supporting consistent effluent quality and water reuse objectives. Its modular configuration makes it ideal for expanding operating MBR plants, reinforcing separation capacity, or integrating into new wastewater treatment projects. Operation is straightforward and efficient. Mixed liquor from the existing treatment process is directed to the submerged flat sheet membrane station, where advanced membrane technology ensures reliable solid liquid separation and consistent high-quality permeate production. Controlled extraction ensures stable performance, while a dedicated air scouring system limits fouling. The unit is CIP ready and designed to follow membrane supplier cleaning protocols. Each station is fully assembled and factory tested, supplied as an integrated package that can include membrane tanks, permeate systems, air scouring equipment, pumps, valves, instrumentation, and optional PLC-based automation with a SCADA integration.